What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on the big XRP, which is up again over 10% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at $3.26, nearing a new all-time high. It will potentially hit a new all-time high later today at $3.30. Back in 2018, that's when it hit its all-time high. It's nearing that once again, but the main question is, how high will XRP go? Is it too late to buy it for those of you guys who did not get into it, or should you sell it before it crashes back down? That's what we'll be going through. I know a lot of people are holding on to it, just like myself, as XRP is likely to hit huge numbers even later this year. I'm predicting it to head over $10. A lot of people are making crazy predictions, $1,000, $10,000. However, to be realistic, $10 over the next few months is where I'm predicting this crypto to go. But let's have a look at its charts, do some analysis as to what we can predict from the crypto. So at the bottom here we have the RSI, which is at 86.24, which is pretty high, guys, meaning it is overvalued quite a bit, and it is likely to take dips in between, hit more red candles, which again is part of the process. I'm also expecting it to hit red candles potentially later on today, early hours of tomorrow. However, does not mean it's going to come crashing back down, but potentially heading just about the $3 mark before it heads back up to $3.40, $3.50 to over the weekend, potentially getting closer to $4 towards the end of July. A lot of people are saying it is likely to hit $10 by the end of July, which I don't agree with. However, over the next couple of weeks, it does have the potential to hit the $10 mark, depending on what Trump does and all the news that's going on right now with XRP. If everything goes ahead and XRP manages to do well, then we can see huge numbers from the crypto. But before I go any further, this is no financial advice. Any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. For regular XRP updates, make sure you stay subscribed, because this crypto is about to make huge movements. So getting rid of the RSI, we have another indicator. Let's see what that is telling us. Yes, it is slightly overvalued. It is slightly trading above the red line here, which is at $3.17. It is trading at $3.26, hence why I was predicting a little bit of a step back, a little bit of a price correction over the coming hours, tomorrow potentially, before it starts to head up over the weekend, going into next week as well, and end of July getting over the $4 mark, potentially hitting $5 end of July, early August is what my predictions are. Zooming into the hourly chart, if we do bring out the MACD indicator here, we can see that the MACD indicator is looking slightly bearish. As you guys can see, it's trading towards the bearish side here and trading above the signal line and the baseline, meaning an overall fluctuation in value around this current price range of $3.27 is where it's likely to stabilize around over the next 12 to 14 hours. As mentioned, followed by red and green candles. And going on to the 4-hour chart over the coming week, yes guys, we are looking quite positive, and the main part is the lines are not looking too steep, so they are realistic, and the MACD line is trading above the baseline and the signal line, indicating an overall bullish movement for XRP over the next week or two. So end of July, early August, heading $4.50, potentially hitting $5 early August is what my predictions are at the moment. But regular updates will be coming on XRP on a daily basis, even depending on what you guys prefer. Comment down below. Moving on to the daily chart now, we are looking a little bit too steep. However, it makes sense as to why it's looking so steep, because if we look here, overall it's increased from its bottom to the highest. Right now it has gone up about just under 50% in a space of about a week, which is absolutely insane. So overall, going into September, October, November, we should see the crypto getting very close to around $8 to $9, potentially hitting $10, or even way higher than that, depending on as I said, what Trump says and all these news that are going on with all the regulations. This can have a major impact on the value of XRP, and the main factor is obviously Bitcoin. It is currently $118,000. However, I am predicting it to head closer to 140, 145, potentially 150 over the next few months, which should boost the crypto market in a positive direction. And here we have the trading volume is up once again 112% in the last 24 hours, just below $15 billion. Over the week it is up 30%, and over the month 52%. So can't complain. XRP is doing very well. Let me know in the comment section down below. Are you guys buying it right now? Are you guys selling it? I did get into XRP quite early, so I'm holding on to it at the moment, hoping over the next couple of years it does huge numbers. But let me know what your thoughts are about XRP. Is it likely to hit 10, 15, $20, or is it likely to drop back down? Comment down below what your thoughts are on that. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Before you click off, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video to enter the cryptocurrency giveaway. And I'll catch you guys in my next update. Until then, take care and peace.